wach ma jo Ramogi osebedo kaluwo machiegni kawadhi nyime timb Kenya maragoko mar were manyiri ma igio kenga par kod aboro ikore ne piem mar Commonwealth Rugby Sevens mibiro bage piny Trinidad and Tobago e kind tarik 4 nyaka par kod 1 dwe mar aboro higani. Kocha margi Sara Gola noyango jotugo mabiro tugo ne Kenya. Kenya biro rado kod timbe 5 madongo kaka Trinidad and Tobago, Canada, Wales, Australia kod Fiji. Kenya biro tugo kod timbe go duto ka namba 1 kod 2 e pool biro lalo simbo mar gold, ka namba 3 kod 4 laro bronze. Timbe 2 modong biro lalo namba 5 kod 6.
To select the final team, it's not always easy, but I believe this is the best team, and they are going to do their best. I've watched them playing, I've watched them during their trainings. They're doing well.
Margaret Wangoi, I'm the captain for Cab Lionesses. What I have to say is that we are all prepared. We are all ready to go and carry our flag high. Also, I want to thank the NOC for this exposure. You've been with us. You've made us train well. All the facility that we have, we all thank you. May our God continue blessing you. And all we know is that we are ready for this.